Hi guys, today we're cooking lechon belly or roast pork. So what I usually do with the pork belly is I usually brine it for at least 24 hours or a day before I roast it. So here is our pork belly without bones. So what I have on the water is at least 4 to 5 tablespoons of salt, pepper, chopped garlic, onion, lemongrass, and spring onion. And you have to wait for it to be cooled down before you submerge our pork belly. Here is the other one I prepared a bit earlier. So here I have also chopped onion, garlic, rosemary, spring onion, and lemongrass. So I'm gonna put that later on our lechon belly. So after 24 hours, here is our pork belly. So just make sure you wash the extra salt on it. So make sure you wash it before you roast it. So here is our chopped garlic, onion, lemongrass, and spring onion, and rosemary. So a little bit of pepper as well, and a bit of salt. And then we're just gonna roll it. And then this is what we're gonna have inside our lechon belly. And here it is, our lechon belly is ready to roast. As you can see from here, I didn't throw away the water that we used for the brining of our lechon belly. I left it there because while we're roasting the roast belly, the water underneath will give it a roasting and then a steaming process as well. And that's gonna make sure that our lechon belly is not gonna be dry while we're roasting it. So that's why I usually have water underneath my roast so the meat it's not gonna be dry. So after this, I usually roast it for 4 hours. I know it's a long time, but if you want the meat to be really tender and soft, you have to roast it that long, but you can roast it for 2 hours if you want. So I usually roast it for 4 hours. So 3.5 hours, 180 degrees. And then last 30 minutes, I usually put the 20 minutes 200 degrees. And then the last 10 minutes for 220 degrees, just to make sure that you have crispy skin. So after 4 hours, here it is, our lechon belly. Thanks for watching.